In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down fundamental footwork moves to get you started on your dance journey. Let's get to it. All right, so the very first move we're gonna start with is the step touch. Super basic. Use your right leg, you're gonna step out with it, and then bring the left leg in to meet it. I repeat on the other side, step my left leg out, bring the right leg in, boom, all right? So the basic rhythm of this is just 1, 2, 1, 2. Using your right leg first, I'm gonna step out, bring it in, out, bring it in. Now your upper body, if you're in the club or something, you're jamming out, just do your thing with your upper body, don't think about it, all right? Let's try it together, step touch. 5, 6, 7, we say step, touch, hey, step, touch, hey, step, touch, step, touch. That's what's up, okay? Now, for the step touch, we have variations. I'm gonna do one variation with you here. You're gonna actually take your right leg again, you're gonna step out, but instead of meeting it together this time, you're gonna bring that right leg back in, all right? Then I use my left leg, I step out and bring it back in. Do that one more time. I step out, bring it in, step out, bring it in. All right, let's groove it out with it now. 5, 6, 7, 8, go, boom, hop, vibe it out. 6, 7, stop. Okay, let's try the step touch with some music now. Okay, we're gonna start with the basic step touch and then go into the variation. Here we go. Hey. Good, vibe it out. Switch it up, here we go. Hey. 5, 6, 7, stop. Move number 2, we're gonna go to the classic kick ball change, okay? So we're gonna start with our right leg here again. We're gonna kick it forward, and then as I bring it back, I switch the weight and pick up my left leg and then step forward with that left leg. One more time, reset. We said kick 1 and 2. Bring it back. 5, 6, 7, slow. I'm going kick and step. So the rhythm I'm gonna do here is gonna go like this. Kick, ball, change. Okay? So it almost meshes together into one kind of motion. So I go kick, ball, change. 7, 8, kick, ball, change. Reset again. Kick, ball, change. Reset again. Kick, ball, change. Reset again. Okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing but use my left leg this time. So I'm gonna go kick, switch, step, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset, here we go. Kick, ball, change, reset, okay? Let's try a little bit faster with the left leg. 5, 6, 7, we set. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset. Good. So another way to do the kick, ball, change is you're gonna take that same right foot, but now you're gonna kick it to the side. And using the same concept, I'm gonna switch, step over, and then step out. So I'm gonna go left leg now, switch, step, over. So it's the same thing. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset. And you just vibe it out. Hoop. Vibe it out. Hoop. All right? So we're gonna try with music now. We're gonna do a couple times here. Ba, and then a couple times on this side. Ba, ba, and then we're gonna switch it. Ba, ba. Here we go. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, left side. Here we go. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset. Kick, ball, change, reset to the side. Kick, ball, change, and step. 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 I know you killed it. Okay, moving on to move number 3, the pas de bourrée. This is another classic. So I'm gonna use my right leg first. It's gonna step behind. Then my left leg is gonna step out. Then I reset, step with the right leg. One more time, we're gonna use the right leg first. This is gonna go 1 and 2. Good, reset again, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Good. Now let's try the same thing, but using the left leg first. So left leg goes behind, 1. Right leg steps out, and 2. Good. 2 more times on the left side. We said left, right, left. Good. Last time on the left side, we said left, right, left. Good. Now let's try alternating sides. We're going to start with the right leg first. We're going to go right, left, right. And then immediately we're going to switch to the left side. Left, right, left. Okay? So we're going to try that a few times, but remember, we're dancing, so you don't need to do it stiff. All right? You can loosen up a little bit. Here we go. Right leg first. 5, 6, 7. We said right, left, right. Left, right, left. Again, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Good. Now another way to start the pas de bourrée is actually stepping out first. So if I step out on my right leg first, I'm going to use the left leg to go behind, step the right leg out, and then reset with my left. Good. Let's do that one more time. Stepping out with the right leg first. I'm going to go right, left, right, left. Now this is going to initiate the other side. Hoom and step. You see how we're continuing the motion here? One more time. Let's start with that right leg stepping out first. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right. Okay? Let's give you some counts here. You're going to step on 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So once again, we're going to try that, but like just loosen up a little bit. Okay? Here we go. Stepping out with the right leg first. 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and stop. Good. Now that first one, when you're stepping out, that variation I gave you, you can use that to travel. Step back, boom. Step forward. Okay, that's a little something extra you can practice there. All right, let's try the pas de bourrée with some music. Here we go. Hey, hey, hey. Good. Reset, we said step, 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 step. Good. If you're feeling good with this, let's take it back. Hey, to the front, to the back, to the front. Hey. Let's go. All right, now let's go on to move number 4. This one is gonna make you look good in front of anyone, all right? This is called the heel toe. Now, there's so many different ways of doing the heel toe, but I'm gonna show you the basic way. So, the first thing you wanna get used to is you wanna think of that right foot is gonna step across, and you're gonna think of twisting, like you're almost like squishing something, okay? So let's do that one more time. That right leg is gonna go step, twist. Good. Now, as I do that, my left leg now, so as this right leg goes here, the left leg is actually going to go back onto the ball of the foot like this. Hoop. Okay, one more time. Look at that position. I'm going to jump into it. Hoop. Good. Now, as I do the twisting motion, this left leg in the back is going to step across. So I'm going to go like this. Hop, step across as I twist. What did I just do? One more time. I said, hop, twist. Good. Now the transition here is very simple. I'm going to switch the legs and then switch the positions. So my right leg is behind now, left leg in front, twist. Okay? Let's do that a little bit slower if we can. It's going to be tough slow because you're going to be like trying to find your balance. But I promise when we speed it up and after you get this, it's going to feel easy. So we jump, 1, we twist, 2. Good. Then I jump again. 1, twist, 2. Got that? One more time. So if you're just thinking of stepping like this, step, and I want to twist. If I switch here, step, twist. That's the base fundamental of that move. Now, the trick is you want to put it together so it feels like one motion. So as I jump, I'm twisting at the same time like this. Jump, twist. Jump, twist. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and jump, twist, jump, twist. Good. One more time, just like that. 5, 6, 7, and jump, twist, jump, twist. Good. So the hands, ooh, you can do different hands. It doesn't matter. You can have fun with the hands. I've always been saying that. So we're going to do this one more time. The time is going to go jump, twist, jump, twist, jump, twist, jump, twist. Ready? 5, 6, 7, we said jump, twist, jump, twist, jump, twist, jump, twist. Good. All right, so now we're going to hit the heel toe with the music. Have fun with it. Loosen it up. I know you got it. 5, 6, 7, go. Hup. And then stop. Here's your 5th move. This one, you're going to use your left leg, actively thinking of the heel digging into the ground, right leg, actively thinking of the toe digging into the ground. What does that mean? So the left leg is going to go like this, reset, and your right leg is going to go like this. So let's just get that mind-body connection real quick. Let's do the right leg. You're just going to twist on the ball of your foot, bring it back. Twist on the ball of your foot, bring it back. Left leg, twist on your heel, bring it back. Twist on your heel, bring it back. Now do the same thing, but now right leg is going to go on the heel, left leg goes on the toe. Right leg 3 times. 2 more. Last one. Good. Left leg, we said 1, 2 more. Last one. Good. Now we're going to be doing this together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actively think of pushing those points into the ground and pop them at the same time. And when I bring it back, I reset. Look at how I reset though. It almost looks like my knees are knocking together. Now I switch it to the other side. Hoop. Reset. Yep, you feel that? Okay, here we go one more time. Switch, reset, switch, reset, switch, reset. Keep going. Once you got it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We gotta try that with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, reset. 5, 6, 7, 8, and stop. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you want to learn any more tutorials, just click any of the videos right here. Peace!